Welcome, guys. This is Candy. You know Candy from long time from down a Richard Brown Films. You understand me? Here you know. May I ask you now, please. You so you know watch a movie, yeah? Leave some good respectful comment out there. You understand? No disrespectful thing. Remember, subscribe, leave a comment and share on Candy Progressive TV.
The person won't help me type your people, sorry. He'll call you. He'll call you out. Quick, me 9 to 5 and phone to housewife. That's nasty.
Action.
But I walk down, yes. What is it? Me not give dinner last night. What do you mean by you're hungry already? Did you just light it up? What? When we finish the meal, man? Stop. I don't have anything for you. But I'm hungry too, no pitney. Your father not buy no grocery for me there. So I don't know where we're going to have for dinner today. Tired to tell him so to get money and buy some groceries. See them? Not in here. I don't know what I'm going to do. No, you hungry, me hungry, everybody hungry. What am I supposed to do? Eh? What am I supposed to do?
Mommy, we got that ask if we have no money.
Right now, you see. Alright, I'm going to figure it out. Let me ask them now. Look for me tell us if I put grocery in the house.
Listen, man. Me tell you because if you don't wake me, put on me sleep when me asleep.
What you mean me not fi wake you up? The house need grocery, you put me hungry. After last night, me cook the last bit of flour and mackerel and give her. She not eat from morning.
Me not eat either.
So what that say?
Alright, go on a shop. Go down a shop with just sit now and tell them say me pay for it next week.
You know say I cuss you want me cussing idea yeah? Me not go back down a bed shop go trust anything. You know how embarrassing to go down there every day with no to trust? A $10,000 bill we have down there now, you know?
Listen, man. Me one day I work, you know. I mean one day I work. So all I need to do, go and go see if I find one little work to so you can help balance me out too.
And that is your job as a man to provide for the family. Because after me have the baby, I know you tell me say me fi turn housewife.
Listen, no man nowadays so independent, you know, really start that, you know, man. So you can help provide too. You to
Excuse
make
me,
it.
mommy.
When you hear me and your mother talk, no say nothing.
I no shout pan her, the pitney hungry. Me tell you say me independent. Me did not my 9 to 5 work and you tell me if you come here come turn housewife.
Alright, you will cut 2 banana on the back and cook. Boil that and give me.
What you mean by cut banana? Me and you pick look like monkey in here? If you eat banana?
Excuse me, mommy. Not the people I'm not to it and I'm not in an argument. Never go to my room so you and daddy can talk.
No, me want you stay right here so if you say you're hungry. Sit down. The pitney hungry. You just a drive up and down your boo you got friend them. And all you come back is a vaccine. You can't put the vaccine on the road and go get some money.
So you really want me to put my car on the road for them mash it up?
What you mean?
And that's what you want me to do? Put it on the road for make all nigga driving on my car and mash it up. You come like a bad man for my car too, you know.
What you say? Cruff man, yeah. But listen, say you prefer you're picking you hungry and you don't want to put your nice vaccine on the road. Eh? A vehicle you make for drive on road. I don't even know where you get vaccine from.
Alright, you me go do. Me go lie down and rest and uno just go and figure something out. I will just go and tough out the hungriness till tomorrow. It's simple.
See, I regret the day me see you. I regret the day me make you give me sweet talk. You shouldn't get no bikini from me. And any day God help me for me come out of this situation, yeah. But just take me little bungalow and take me picking and I'm going to let you have to starve and dead.
No, wait, what? No. No, why no?
You don't not even try to stop me to show you how your mindset.
Why no, man?
I don't know what I'm going to do even. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Yeah, I thought.
And you are the man, alright. I know what to do.
Hello?
Hey, good evening.
Good evening. Who is this?
This is Erika. My name is Trinity.
Yes, this is Chinedy. How would this again?
I just love this name. Black Street Girl.
From the beach. I meet so many people on the beach. I'm not even sure who me I talk to, you know.
Remember this girl from home.
Oh, the girl is she a Kingston and she come from town.
Yeah.
I do in the park.
Yeah.
Oh, that same girl there. Yeah, man, one long time me not hear from you. Me not see you none talk. One to you. All right now.
Yeah, don't tell me there, but why I'm here coming back one.
Same way, cause from the last time me see you now almost 1 year now and you did tell me some problem where you did in and me did give you one little money and tell you to go buy some stuff and sell. So you never work out that the thing there with that the money there.
Yeah, things did work out, but you know, my friend, even though 7 times much find out how much probably the cat was in no thing. I want the cat was in no thing, when they get me and he was getting ready to be some day now. Why show me how to go and put somebody in humiliate me and I want even with everybody else for there and stuff. Right, now I just keep the yard with there. I sleep in that no this yard nothing with us open up on your road and stuff. They have this for work with me now want me right now see that whole life just gone.
Eh? Oh God, so you not have nowhere to sleep, you sleep on the roadside?
I'm with friend me and I just sleep sometimes.
Oh my.
That's side.
So you and your friend them get along and so where you can stay there until you get somewhere for yourself?
I used to be honest because I didn't have them and they need them right. And they might even be take care of it. So
So what you want me do? What you want me do? You want me give you one money for rent somewhere or and you have to go look at job or something? What you want me do?
well, I mean, I know you like look at that come down here and go see until they get this stuff and then together that would help you. So if you don't get paid for rent and want to have no job, that would be no thing.
Well, that's true again. Boy, may I tell you, things rough and I understand. Well, I'm not a bad person, you know. I mean like help people. I am that type of person. I love help people. You understand? So, I think about it because you're a woman and you're all over the place and I sleep with friend. Maybe I'll go get pregnant before time and so and then, and not even before time because you're a big woman. I know say you're 20 year old, but Oh my, me understand. No roof over your head, you're not working. It go kind of difficult for you to get pregnant now or something. So you can come stay with me here.
Alright, just let me know you should be careful. Yes, maybe I will. What's more
Me there in a Westmoreland, man. Negril me there. Westmoreland, just come and Negril and when you reach, you just call me and me just send one night taxi them for you or something. Or if you don't want to go in another them taxi there, like two you don't know them, me just call one of my friend and make them come pick you up. Or me direct you and you just walk come. Come in and live far from the town, you know.
no problem.
Yeah, so you can pack up your clothes them and come. But nobody just left your friend them so you know. Tell them say you thank them for stay with them and for the time being where you're there and so show them little appreciation and little love and just tell them say you're gonna leave now.
Yeah.
You don't have to tell them where you're going, not tell them which exactly path you're going or whatever. Just leave and come. You're gonna leave now?
Yeah, man, we'll leave.
Oh, which part? So which part? Eh?
Next time I'm earlier morning.
Okay, alright. No problem. Oh Jesus. Alright. Why? You by yourself, my friend. Oh. Yes, nice man. Yes, thanks. Come. You can sit down here. Sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Why me say me the one left out in the early morning, but why? Why them the heap of bus stuff in load? Cause me left my yard 10 o'clock and me just a reach now after 3.
So, what your friend them say when you leave?
When me tell them thanks and everything, them say just make sure say me safe and yeah, fit. Make sure say me keep in touch with them.
They look nice too.
Why? You see how a man can just mash up your life?
What you say happen between you and that man there?
Alright, so when remember some that tell us that the emergency between me and him, he never did start work or something. And he threw me and him a come from far and everything. I work it out with him and stuff. So when I give me the money to get myself together, I had me buy up some bath and body work, so I did a sell and stuff. And everything did alright. What see? Because when I start sleep and I people are my friend me that 2 weeks ago. Realize, when a man change, you realize they know affectionate for you again, they not really show you no love or attitude. Realize he come in late in the night. When he come in, he turn on back. So me I say, this not sound right. What happened? You know how we females stay. When we notice something from a man, we have to search their phone. Say,
So he might cheat on you?
you better me never look in your phone, better me never trouble when I trouble me.
So why you looking at your phone? Anytime woman search my phone, it cause big problem. Then they say you have issues. But the problem is right there in front of the both of our eye. But listen, I go know. Since as you can't trust him and him feel offended by you searching in phone, which is wrong still, you know. Because you see, if you never search him, not tell you no lie, you know. If you never search it, maybe you and him would have something, maybe way down the line, but not.
But then I want a fake relationship if you think about it.
That is true.
As in they in the house, I tell little girl.
So-
Remember, see, me and him rent the place, you know. Remember, me did tell her all of that.
Yeah,
And me and him rent the place. You understand? Me not go tell no lie. Pay him rent and everything. Me pay him mine. Him pay the rent. Me buy my little things. Them I will do with little thing. But boy, the boy come in one day. Me left out to go work. When me come in at the girl that day, after me searching his phone, must be 3 days after. And the girl that they me see at the house.
Yeah.
Him and the girl show me out. When me looking at
So
his phone.
here in one woman pan you in at the house. But
When
in
me
here
search
is
his
man.
phone, him I tell the girl say him no want nothing to do with me.
So you not shut him a box. You turn up there and make man carrying woman in a house for you and where you
Fight him at two of them for me.
Oh
At
Jesus.
two of them for me, master.
Best thing you do is walk away still then. The last time
See,
he talked to
the
you.
Me hear say me close the girl that they wear up there.
Wait, hold on. The last time I talked to you. You tell me say you're suspecting, but he have lock on his phone. So who you going on your phone? Where you do watch him?
Watch him when me a go. Me watch him when he a pull the phone. Because me say something seems off.
But you're lucky still, you know, because enough man not like when woman going on their phone, you know.
Maybe just glad how me find him out, you know. At least we know stay them and know me there.
Me not tell no lie. Me not say me if you go in there, no, but me not run there serious road. Me not search no man phone. Because me not like problem. The only thing I do wait till he gone and then me pack up my clothes and leave. Me not search if it cause some problem. You lucky say man the girl not analyze you up there. Jesus. Well anyway, me I go show you which room if you stay in.
Okay.
You understand?
Thanks again. Thank you so much. Because I don't have nobody for calls.
Alright, listen to me now. Let me tell you my thing in my place. Me love keep my place clean. You understand? Me no like the dirty place. Me no want see no fly, no cockroach and no rat around me. Me no harbor them something them, me and them are no friend, them are my enemy. Cockroach, rat and mosquito and fly, me and them are the biggest enemy on earth. Me no have no other enemy more than them they kind of sitting there. You understand me? So you go have to keep the place clean. You see? Anything you use, wash it out. It's easy. Clean as you go. You go in the bathroom, clean as you go. You know what I mean? As you use anything in a bathroom, just make sure you clean it up. But just keep the place clean and me and you will okay with everything. Me I go try when we go in the town to ask any little business place if they have no vacancy the way you can get a job. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Yes, because you're one nice girl and boy, from the first day I did meet you up on the beach, me feel so sorry for you. And I try my best when I help you, but I never know say this would have turned out between you and that the boy the way you tell me say you love so much. You see how things can go? When you put your trust in somebody and then it end up like this. But don't worry yourself. Me I go help you, me I go make you stay with me, you know. So you know say you're my friend from me meet you up on the beach. You understand me? So you can stay with me. Come in, let me show you which one of the room you have to stay into. You hear? Put it over the chair. Alright, you can go on inside. Yes.
You're really nice.
Thank you.
Just rest this right here.
Alright.
You're nice.
Anyway, this is my place.
Yeah.
Welcome home.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, you're my friend, so you're going to be my little sister.
Yeah.
You understand? So, the kitchen over there, so.
Yeah.
And you can make a sleep in at this room.
Okay.
On this side.
Yeah.
My room, the round, and the next part around here, so.
Okay.
So, feel free. Feel free. And make sure, say, make yourself comfortable.
Yeah.
Well, you take your clothes.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, next time you put your on the dining table, but you just come now go to seven. So I've made it pint and actually so this is the kitchen, so see stove over there, so you can cook?
Yeah, we can cook.
Where you can cook?
Everything.
Alright, so food up in there, so in I cover the pot them under here, so see plate them there, see kitchen nice and clean.
Yeah.
Okay, and see microwave they can use it.
Yeah.
If you want to make some drinks put in the fridge, you can, you understand me?
Mm-hmm.
And do your thing and the meat them down here, so.
Yeah.
You understand? Alright, so come and get a talk before you go in your room. Here now. You see your sound I live?
Mm-hmm.
Me not smoke.
I'm in a smoke, I'm in a drink.
I don't drink. So me not really want nobody come in here with smoke and drink.
Yeah.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Please me I beg you. I just got the favor them in the house. So do not smoke it. If you smoke it, you know, and you don't want me know how you feel away, fine. But no smoke in here and do not drink in here.
Yeah.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Next thing, I want you to be a praying person.
Yeah.
Before you go to your bed, pray.
Mm-hmm.
When you wake up, you pray. Give God thanks for another day.
True.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Because this, to me, this is a blessing to you. Somebody where you meet on the beach that you did not know from nowhere.
Yeah.
They might want your blessing right now. One of your destiny helper. So you have to appreciate. It's me not exaggerate. Me not one like I'm better than you. I don't feel like I'm better than no one.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
Me no better than no one. And me no want feel like me better than no one.
Mm-hmm.
Me ask God if me too high, bring me down.
Yeah.
Me just want be a good, clean heart person. Where if God say help that person, I am going to help that person. So feel at home. You understand?
Yes.
Alright, as me tell you can go in your room.
Alright.
And bathroom
Yes.
bathroom is on the right.
Alright.
Yeah, but you have to go through my room to go in the bathroom, yeah?
We'll get sunlight and so.
Alright. Come and see you're tired. Hello? What you say? A lie. So police lock them up? Me backside. So what? Three of them gone to hospital. And police gone with him? Yes, man. Eh? That fi happen to him. Into wicked as someone with people them girl pitney. Use them and make them fight them one another. Mm-hmm. Cause want the people them girl pitney fi damage them one another. Then him gone straight. With one next woman. What kind of man that him a womanizer? All you me did a warn you long time. I don't know you sip on him. God no, but we can't choose for you. Eh? Oh God. What a wickedness. He burn down the place. So what girl mother did there? Jesus. Should he go to church? Thank God. Oh God. So the police then hold on him or I had a two friend them were doing it with him. Okay. Thank you, Jesus. Tell him too. Me glad. Yeah, man. Them the man them in a want. This ghosting a womanizer. Me. So he want to analyze the woman data. I'm scot-free. Thank God for the police them in a Jamaica. If I never them, you know much more woman data in that do so. I hope the judge when he go to court, because I know they not give no bail, you know. I hope when he go to court, they hold him in the cell until court day. And sentence him same time, and if he come out back to after 45 years or 60 into wicked. The judge should have sent out one hard or some large sitting. If then turn him upside down and cut out when they get trouble with. Yeah, too wicked man. Alright. Yes. Yeah man, you know say I have to call me and give me a little news then. But anyway, I'll deal with something I know here. Yeah man, little more. Yeah girl, me call you back later. Alright. Ediko! She drop asleep. Ediko!
Oi,
Come here.
yeah, come.
Come here, my girl. Asleep, did I say? Why I can't see tiredness by you?
You want me to send me a go lie down?
Oh God. So you don't want nothing to eat? Me I go me first step. Me I come. Me I come. You see this? I told me not like mosquito, that's why I have it. Because they always are coming here. So you can use it when you're not there in case mosquito bite you. Hold this, because I go out on the road. I don't go far. Because I go out on the road. You ain't come down here with no money.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so you can use this. I don't know what time I come back and buy something to eat. Yes.
Yeah, we kind of work it. I see you work for you get few white people in.
Yes.
Thank you.
So, now we'll do something for the road here.
Alright.
Alright, come on. There's things in here for eating, but if you don't want that feet, I can go buy something.
Alright.
Okay. Boy, I'm tired. Oh, Jesus. The day hot, so chill. Ediko! Where is she there? She must be asleep. Me smell food. Like she cook and eat and sleep. That's right, girl. Enjoy yourself. Boy, me tired. I want to sleep, you know. Tired.
so yes, we can call in later. I talk about a simple one thing that man, never think forget to one. Don't stop worry about that, man. No, no, man. No, sir, no, sir. No, see, not worry about that. No, man, not worry about that. But then, I long from my bed still. Me there, dog, man, I go and rest up for a little more, you see me? Yeah, man, I'm not really too party, but you don't know me make a one stroll more, like, come show our support, man, buy 2 pack of oxygen. Alright, yeah, man, look, come on, chat to you.
What you mean by later? You know how long me stung out there, so I listen to your conversation.
So,
A
man,
woman you have in your palm me?
so hold on. I watch me.
How kind of disrespect that man you really come with today?
I watch me.
You know me man, me no must watch you.
Listen, let me be honest with you. I can't continue to beat on the bush, you know. Let me be honest with you. Me tired down you know, man. Me tired down now. Left me want to left my place.
Oh no who? Who is who?
Yeah, you pick me, man.
So hold on, sign up for your picnic. And me alone get picnic. And that you try to tell me.
Just take all the things, man, I left out of my place.
We not left here, that me say. We not left here.
Alright, I'm never change the lock. Never change the lock.
Listen, I don't even know what to tell you right now, you know.
I'm just moving smartly with the ring here.
Listen, I will poison you. Me I promise you that.
That's why I make sure I'm not name frying. You realize if when you cook me not name nothing.
You're a witless, worthless, good for nothing Rasta man. That is what you are.
I'm going to this, man. Tell you
So pull your fire, babe.
Tell down. What a place, man.
You really are gonna do this to me?
No, you look cowball now,
Come on, you have a picnic with me, and at this you really have put me through. Why you have to be so heartless and cold and wicked? Look at you. You're just bigger than what this and good for nothing.
You don't know shame, man. Go on, man.
And if you have shame and you get me pregnant for your picnic,
You just think of things, man. Go on, man.
I true me not beat man, you know.
And you not beat man either. Just think of things and go on, man.
Me not left here. What me I go go? What me and me picnic I go?
But I call ball now, man. Yo, just think of things and go on.
What's up?
The pack of the things that stay around the bag.
So you can't do this.
Yeah, man.
Me not left here. A woman take you put up there and dance. Me say me not left here. Me not left here. Me not left here. Me not left here.
Come.
Me not left here. Me not left here.
Look, I don't want to lick no woman, you know, that me a try to tell you, you know.
Me not left.
I don't want to lick no woman.
You're a worthless man, you know. You know what?
But no, go on.
You better be go on, you know. I'm tired, you know. Now what me are going to do, you know. Me poison the man there. Me go on, me are going to come beat me. Hey, you don't let that place here. Let that crab house place here. Crab house, man. It's alright, you hear? You see you? Me I tell her say, I regret the day me see you. All work this man, that's all you put on run out there, young. No you expect what to do. But me not stand up, you hear? We gonna become successful and you will regret the day. It's a wicked man, yeah? Okay, stop the pride, man. Your father don't know me no good. Stop the pride, me say.
She's mama. Where you at the back? Where you at the back? Eh? Suppose me man come see you so. Eh?
Yup, as we move out, you're carrying no one coming here.
Like everyone wants to be serious. Yo, where you see you want? Talk fast.
Me have every right for Diana.
Talk faster, man.
No hurry me. I come back with the picnic. I come back for live. At 3 weeks now. Me and the picnic the pan road and me have to beg like I'm blind. So me come back, me no have nowhere to go, me no have no family and I yes, so me come back.
Listen, me I tell you say I know, man. So, I'm money you don't want? Alright.
We don't want no money. We need a place to live. You know how long we the on the road? 3 weeks now.
Give me this.
Don't take your money. $100. Out of them, they almost one big pack of money you have. You give you $100.
Listen, man.
What $100 can
This
do,
a
Richie?
book. This a money I book out, man.
What $100 can do, Richie?
You don't figure out yourself.
Be honest with yourself. What
Listen,
$100
man.
can do?
Listen, me have woman I know and me have step youth them to take care of. So you don't have to go figure that out. You have to pick and figure that out. No good.
Richie, me I beg you.
Mind me lock your hand on
Me
the
I
door.
beg you.
No, what are the begging no? Me nah crocodile steer now go work out.
If not for me sake, for your picking sake, me I beg you. What you really expect what we do?
Listen, man. Me nah then crocodile case me nah go work. Cause me say me not sure say pick me and for me, you know.
Wait.
Go on.
No, we do. Richie.
Richie, begin to laugh me.
Richie! Hey, buddy, knock it up. He said the sun was hot. Morning. Me literally stand up at one crossroad. Me not in my life and literally. Me don't know what me I go do. What we I go do?
Mommy, I don't know because maybe I go access it where we are going to stay. I can road we are going to sleep.
Really? If I tell you where we are going to sleep, I tell a lie. I don't know what going to happen. But listen, you see the mistake you with me making a life? Please, nobody make them see a mistake you with me making a life. You hear me?
Yes, Mommy.
You see when you get older and you see any man you got to talk to, whether it's your little boyfriend or your husband, make sure say them treat you right. Make sure say them treat their mother right.
Yes, Mommy.
Make sure say they have things, and even when they have things you can't be too sure because they will still treat you like a handicap. You hear me?
Yes, Mommy.
Learn from my mistake. Go to school and take in your education. You hear what me say, Pitney? I don't know what we are going to do.
Mommy. Where we are going to go?
Pitney, I don't know what to tell you, say no. But anywhere we reach, once in a wet, we have to go sleep the day until we have to go out. So.
Mommy, you know, I'm hungry too. Stop it crying, Mommy.
A $100 your father give me. No USD though. 100 Jamaican dollar. You know where we are going to buy, but now me I tell you say just learn. Just learn. You hear me?
Yes.
We are going to buy something for the shop. We just have to try and find somewhere to live. Or find somewhere to stay at least for tonight. Because see the rain set up there. And we can't stand up out here so. And nobody not help nobody again like a one time. Everybody is selfish and all for themselves. But I feel my fault, so here we go. Yeah. $60. $60.
Oh, yeah. Give me that, yeah.
So far, give me the $40. We feel like nobody will live over there, you know. Probably we can stay here so for the night. Because I don't think nobody will come trouble we over there. But maybe we see what over there.
There's kind of abandoned money.
We can be there right now. Everything that we read, I don't want to pick me. But not sleeping. Yeah. Nobody will come trouble with us. I don't know. It's like a good 10 man. And come after the store and I go.
Mom, no, I'm going to say that it looks scary.
We just have to make the best use of it. So we got there and I feel there is a top. Don't go over the side. We just have to make the best.
That was one minute.
What look at me? Well, you didn't have to do. You just have to clean up a little bit.
But my door lock you in here, so
You know, you could come in a little bit. But I come in a clean part. You follow the picture of the people come out.
Mom, come here on the side of something. Kasi in here, so kind of,
See my Facebook. You can't do better right now. So keep doing until tomorrow. You eat it, then alright.
but where you are going to eat?
Don't worry, me figure it out.
Nasa my help?
Oh man, me make sure so you alright. That's figure it out. So we have to go probably try get one little room or at the street phone. So we have to go sleep right this. Yeah man, right beside the cleanest part. Then we go sleep over there. How we can spread the towel there. We can spread the towel right there so and sleep. But we go create one little barricade at the door just in case. never bother go over the yard, you know. God nothing over there for eat. God bless that woman there. May her storage basket never be empty. See them? One bulla and water she give. God bless her. But you know, so we have to pray so God can bless you again.
Yes, mommy.
God, thank you for the lady the way you send. God, I pray that you will just help her and bless her in a special way. You see, all my baby father, God, I would not even pray for him. But God, wherever he is right now, God, I pray that you will just touch his heart. And I pray, mighty God, that one day he will come to realize that what he did was wrong in the name of Jesus. And I pray that my daughter will grow and become successful in the name of Jesus. Amen. Amen. Come, at this God bless you with me now complain. We'll full belly. One bulla, one water.
Don't drink some my water, mommy. Come up with you.
God bless you, my daughter.
Yeah, mommy. Drink some my water.
I think I would then this yard. They big car. Nobody to me rest. I pull at this. Well, me have to go probably leave you when I dating. I'm gonna try to get one work so we can buy one pot and a couple plates so we can start cook. A whole heap of firewood about the place so we can start cook. Cause we can't live on Bulla, you know. Bulla no have no nutrient. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
So we have to go start cook. And must can find banana tree about the place. Yeah.
When we there walk from home, do you see one banana tree?
You talk with food in your mouth. But you eat the rest.
But mommy, not every eat nothing.
Alright, man. Alright. You eat the rest. More your belly full, eh?
I'm trying to eat for one beer, mommy.
You eat.
What are you doing?
Good evening. You have any spare change? I want to buy one box food processed with nobody.
Are you serious? I have more than spare change. Why you did your daughter? You hear
So we just don't have it like that. You know, we've been homeless for a while now. So we just
so
want
you're hungry? You hungry? I'll go and get something for you guys to cook. Was that alright? Is that okay? Alright, little miss? What's your name?
She's kinda shy.
Determined? Oh no man, don't worry man, I'll get you guys something to eat. I don't really like the idea you guys standing here and you know, go look good. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay, so it is just unfortunate, so alright. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, come on, let's go. Sorry, I was sorry my baby, sorry. Why? The best I can do, you know?
Thank you so much.
Yeah man, everything is in there, you know, can actually last the guys a couple of days, you know?
Sir, thank you so much.
No man, you're welcome man, you're welcome.
No.
When I help people and I feel good about it, you know.
So you get snack?
Man.
So much. I don't know where to do without you.
Yeah, man. So, regarding what you told me earlier, say you don't have anywhere to stay. Actually, you know, sometimes I'm blessed. You don't really know me, but to be honest, I am single and I have space where I live.
You know, I wasn't trying to find anybody right now, but I appreciate.
No, man, no. I'm just doing this out of good gesture, man. It's no problem. You understand me? I mean, look at the little young girl and look at you. You're such a nice lady today, walking around and stuff. Don't feel any way, you know. Do not feel any way. But to be honest with you, I really feel good in myself to help you. You understand?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, really.
And listen, you guys are going to come with me now because you're serious in what you're saying. I don't want to leave here, son. You know, I don't see you again and somebody else go take it. But I am pretty cool, so don't worry about it. So actually I have somewhere I can put you up. So don't worry about it.
Oh my God, it's like a godsend, you.
Yeah man, don't worry yourself, man.
That must be God.
Yeah,
because,
yeah.
You know, it's been a while we've been on the road and you know, nobody never really show any mercy to us or nobody never really
No,
tried
because
to
of how
support
you
us.
look, you know, you have this nice, refreshing look. People just think that maybe, maybe not really take it serious, but sometimes, you know, it's a real serious thing.
It's a serious situation, but
Listen to me. You don't have nothing to worry about. Just trust me, and everything will be alright. Just follow the man and come on. Alright?
alright, so you're not going to hurt to certain
As I said before,
because
I would never do that.
I've been in situation already where
I-
people
I-
take advantage of us
I-
and I just don't want that to happen again.
I totally understand, but see, it's not the word for you guys don't know it. Alright? Don't be shy. Come on, man. Come on. Alright, come on, man. Alright, look at pretty girl. Go on in. Alright, don't worry, man. Don't be afraid, alright? You want to come in here or you want to go
I
around?
want to
You want to sit beside her? Alright, not a problem, man. Alright? Yeah, man, don't worry, man. It's somewhere nice I'm bringing you guys. You can really feel, you know, welcome and thing tonight. So don't worry yourself, alright? Very relaxing atmosphere and everything, alright?
You know, it was for this past couple. It's been a long while, to be honest with you. My daughter and I have been sleeping in an abandoned building. Like, I just feel like I need to tell you this because we really don't have anything. The abandoned building, to be honest with you,
Yes.
it's not even suitable for a dog.
Oh no, man, no, God. When I look.
That is how bad it is. It seemed like it was a shed, you know, for goats.
Yeah.
As
Whoa.
we saw a lot of goat feces in the shed.
Okay.
So, and
Alright.
the daughter even gets sick while we're staying in there to help out the situation.
No, man, you guys got you well, man. But don't worry, man. I'm gonna help you guys, alright? Don't worry about that, you know? Alright?
Okay.
Come on. You good? You carry on some fear. Who tell you that? Yeah, she said that. Where you get that from? She's not joking. Where you get that from?
So,
After you-
hold on.
You have to sit down here. Sit down, baby love.
You
Sit down.
came inside. Hold on, baby.
Police and who? Sit down. Don't say nothing more. Don't say nothing more. What? Where you get that argument from? Where that come from? What happened?
No worry about that. So I want to see if you come, you know, see me and daughter determined. Me know say I know you're picking, you know, but you know have to make you feel that type of way then.
I want sweet thing could have buy.
Then you just spit it in who, you know have to
That
make
they can't share on the little piece of sweetie. You want to share between the two of them?
so you have to make you feel some type of way over one sleep.
No, but I want sweetie. I'm split not two not now left.
You're a big man, you know, why you do all of this?
You're some miserable man.
Don't do that.
Just sit down and relax.
Listen, not because, you know, not because I know you're a pitney. There's a share between you and your sister. You hear? You're a big man. That's not how you treat your kids.
No, but listen to me. Yeah, just put this thing out of proportion. If I want sweetie, I'm going to sky and give her. No, not wrong. See, that thing called split it. Really. They split it, they have to look at the little piece when she gets. I don't know, the man. Sure. Can you use to make things look so? You cook?
What?
No, me ask if you cook. What happened?
You know, say you're not treat me right, though. And only thing you can't come in here come talk about is if me cook. You eat? You eat?
Hold on. How will this car on here? Let me check what that car is. Hold on. Alright. Anyway. This what? Answer the phone. Where I say now?
Well, go and see a girl then.
Why me come on? Why me have to come on like this
So
environment?
because you're in front of me,
Hey.
you not answer your call.
No, but look here, I can't talk all the while, bro. I tell you sometimes I have some little private call. You know what kind of business I do? But I don't understand how come you behave so all
I'm
of
tired
a
of your
sudden.
relationship, you know.
Already?
When you put on your phone, you put it on your face. If you get no call, I cannot see who's calling you.
Look here, man. You know, say me a businessman now when I do already. So I should be that. Why you not so come up to the why the hostility? What?
Why hostility? You know, say you pick me up with one pitney and then you give me one more on top of that. What you expect? If you buy one, you need to buy two.
Think I done with that. Anyway.
What do you mean done with that? How are we supposed to done with that? You know what my daughter just feel a while ago?
Alright, see? Alright, hold on. Alright, since you're there. I'm glad what you said pick up. Because when we meet you, you know what shot me meet you and me care for make you be somebody. And all you come in at that customer, you know, sit down and
What do you mean
man.
make me be somebody? So because we didn't live far road, I wasn't somebody?
But you're better off now.
Yeah, but you still not treat me right. As a matter of fact, we shouldn't be talking like this in front of the kids, you know. And you know, say, they're going to need some money. People them need to go to school. You know, long you not give me any money?
Nothing now go on, what you want me to do? A thief you want me to thief? And when you lock me up, what happen to
So,
them?
are you a man or a me?
Man, me not get the money now. Me still get some money, man. Me still work for something, man. Sure.
So, hold on then now. So, them not go to school?
Of course, I'm going to school.
How them go to school? They don't have no money.
See, they put them on part.
So, the taxi man don't need fear.
You work on something, man. What's wrong with you, man? You just come in and say, "Depend me, mate." You just stress me out. Come here, and sweat and thing, man. I mean, I have to cook food and you tell me, say, like, say, what
When
of
we
them.
supposed to use cook food?
Not all in my house.
You give me money?
Man, you can't bother them foolish, you say, no, man.
Hold on.
Your life is stressing for me, no, man. Too much,
We
man.
don't eat
Yeah.
from money?
No, Mom. No.
The people them hungry.
You don't eat nothing?
No.
You not go and good as a man. You take me out. You better you did left me on the road, you know. That least you can take and get a knife.
I did by now.
What do you mean dead by now?
Did I
You
dead by
you think my gotta go left me for dead? Baby, hold on. You think gotta go left me for dead?
Anyway. I have to go do what I have to go do.
Then me need it.
All right. Never go up on the road, I'm going to come back and make you. Jeez, man.
Yeah, go let me and you never know. Say this will go happen one time you force on yourself for me.
No, I never know.
A picnic come.
Me never know.
A picnic at the
Me
result.
never want to do that. At least, so. You see me understand in front of the kids then.
Talk to the ears. You're a worthless man. And I regret the day me lay my eye upon you.
All right. Me I go up on the road and me have a look at money where you say. Jesus. It's so good, man. Yo, set them up. Oh.
My money there, you trying to play a film, bro.
Why not play the game now, listen, boy? What do you?
You need to shuffle my money.
I shuffle them because you got me know them.
I can't gamble. What's wrong with them?
I think the money that. Now, all right, watch me and you. See there?
Well,
Take them in one of your feet.
run, just should run.
Go on, run.
Where I run from?
Go on.
Go on.
All right. See how this one. Hold that boy.
Hold on.
Go on again.
You see that one?
Go on again.
I'll tear you out.
Go on again.
Hold on.
You say if I can hold a 5. Run.
Hold on.
No, man, I say, man.
Where I do?
Learn, look where you put on this up.
Go on.
I thief you try thief you.
Go on, try teeth.
So when you put down 4, you know,
You
sir?
look like a 5.
You want to run for the money in
You
you.
look like a 5, father. You see the...
4 and 5 are 2 different things.
Alright. Look at
No,
your
no,
father,
come on.
man. Go on.
1 or 2.
Hold on 3. You pass. Put a 4 back.
Hold on there. Count 2.
Let me count 2.
Play again.
Pass. 1 let go. Give me your money. Right. Set again. And I have my money.
How are you, sir? I don't have no father where that come from.
Play. Wait, man. Remember, say you're not your...
Pass man, hold on.
Hold on.
Let me know.
Up you say there and you have the 2 people them down and you're hungry. You know, say somebody me sorry for mash up on the game. I'm a baby father this.
Let me father.
Somebody me ask which part you there and then tell me say you up and start pay that me know. And I gamble.
No, my money this way.
And the picking them down they hungry.
Hear what? Yo, I'm tired of this here, man. Hear what, man? You hear something up here and up here bring you them come embarrass me in front of
So
them.
hold on. So you never know say getting a pitney is a lifelong decision. It's a lifelong commitment.
Look here, man. Yeah, you know what? You know what? Alright.
So why you have to get your voice now?
Why you bring a picnic and come up here for now come?
Because we hungry, we can't lock up in the house. They put them not even going to school today. And you up here start gambling, big $1,000. Yes!
Man, keep out of this, man.
Big $1,000.
Keep out of this. Look here, man. You know what?
Me I got disgrace you up here, you know.
Alright.
Me I got disgrace you up here.
Pass man, take the and come out of this, man. Easy yourself, man. Yeah, hear me? I eat this now. I eat this. But can't man not fool this. Can you embarrass me big enough you can't pick them up here?
You see you?
Come embarrass me in front.
You see you?
You what?
Remember say when you take me off the road, you make how much sweet promises, you know.
Listen.
And at this it come down to.
I saw me stay and I can't change. I saw me stay from morning and I saw me stay. You can't change me. And for what you do now, honestly, because I don't like it. And plus at the end of the day, you hear me? Go down, sir.
Me I got this girl you up here. This is me want money for the pitching them. Me want money for me out them. And you're not left up here until we get the money.
Boss man, keep out of this now.
Sir, don't embarrass me with them. You can't talk about me picking them.
Oh no man, yeah man, sure. Now they mother have a reason, man.
Me and you, your mother, me and nothing.
Alright, you what? As I said before, I eat this today now. See? I eat this today. Wherever I carry go, I see a place I'm going to let it go.
You're not put me back, you know what?
Come.
Me not take no
Yeah, you
embarrass.
can carry on the food.
Let me take my drink back them and one. Let me take my drink back them.
Boss man. Come on. Bring me in here, come on, man. Come on. Can't bother with this. Yo, come on. Take your daughter and come out now. Come here. Come on, man. Come on, Tammy.
Man,
Come
you
on.
hurt me, pitney, you know.
Come on, Tammy. Can't, man. Can't take this no more, man. Can't take it no more.
Nobody for me.
Can't take it no more. Come on. Come.
Me nah, come on.
Come on.
Me nah, come on.
Now what happened? Look here. Come on, time, yeah. Come to this woman, man. Yo, where you want? He said, come out of the car. I can't bother with this no more.
You see, God,
Can't bother. Come out.
God not like ugly, you know.
No matter.
God not like ugly.
Look
you
here.
take me
Hold
on the
on.
road and sit there in a niggery.
Same place
in
now,
a
put her back.
town, you carry back.
Same place. Alright, hold this. I can't have a little freedom. I can't, when you're there, you can't pick me and do.
Listen.
You never can't. No, I can't go through this.
You take me up with one picking, and now a two picking me have. I have cooked me up. You're
Look here.
what this good for nothing, man.
Hold up
You're
belongings.
You're nothing but a
Come,
sperm
kids. Come.
donor.
Come. No, man, I can't hold this.
Give me back.
I can't go through this no more, man. You're holding me. I can't have no fun. I can't do nothing. Never sign up for this.
Have a great man. It's a wet across your head.
You hear me? You see, them people, you better take care of them, you know. Take care of them because the amount of money me spend. You can't even repay me back. So I feel time now, you better run up work and do what you do. I can't manage it. You never sign up. In a business, same
What
thing.
you really expect?
Same thing over me, tell the same thing. Same way.
So you really are gonna let me and me two picnic them
You
here,
don't
so?
figure it out, man. You're nice. You're
Yeah,
nice.
beg.
Beautiful woman. No, I can't, man.
I see.
I never signed. Yeah, but me never sign up for this, man. You're too nagging. Everywhere me go, me can't do nothing. And think, no, man. Me not.
Beg your stepfather. Help me beg your stepfather.
It not gonna work.
Please.
Anyway, me not gonna lie, you still now.
Please.
Me a do road, man. No,
I beg you.
let off from me, man. Me a do road, man. Me can't bother with them things, but look here, man. You see, just like how. You get me?
Me I beg you.
Go on, man.
Come there now.
Go on. Go back to the road, man. Look here, watch it.
You really are gonna do this to me. You really are gonna do this to me.
Yeah, take it.
Really are gonna do
Me can't take it no more. Me can't take no more, man. Me tired of it, man. Me tired of it. Me got. Hey, watch it. Lady, let me go, man. Sure. Not now, right. Me gone. Mind me run over your foot. No, man. Look here, man. Go on. Man.
You
Go on. Go on.
really are
number, yeah. Hello?
Hello.
What one? You know this advice saying what happens?
Yeah, man. At Chizoma.
Chizoma!
Yes, me say. You don't know why me I call you today, you know. Me say it's an unfortunate situation reach me, you see, man.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know, say, me the on the verge of homeless. I serve me there right now with the two picking them, and I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
So, me and the man did left, because after me have the other picking, me don't know, it come like the man just get corrupt against me. So right now, me don't know. Me come me talk to you better, but me can't come to your yard come stay, because right now me don't have nowhere to live, you know. Me just get put out, me say me don't know what to do. Me no have a first dollar if you say alright, get one hotel or something. Me no have nowhere to go.
Chizoma. You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
They can't help you, you know. They can't help you. I know your problem, I know your situation, because you used to call me and tell me, but a long time, how for nobody say you used to call me?
I want man, me beg one call, you know. But me go me on a credit plan for my phone.
Anyway, I understand. So guess what? Up on the road me there, you know. I'm here run go over me yard. Rain a come down, I want come out of the rain, so let me tell you where to come. Because you see where you know me did live, me not live this again.
Oh.
I still nigger. But let me tell you. You see when you come up a red ground there, so
Yeah, me know
and
for ground.
yes, take the first right and then the second left. The third house pan that the apartment that is some live. Just come over this so you can carry your kids them and stuff.
Alright,
Yeah,
me,
man.
me try and find you. Me I come here now because the rain a fall us have too, you know.
Alright, later.
Alright, then.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Me say me just a reach.
Good evening.
Me say what a struggle it is to get one taxi to
Oh
come
God,
down here,
so
so.
your baby asleep?
She asleep, but
Oh, you can sit down right there, so. Sit down. Come, little girl. Come over here, so.
mercy. Then me say she get so weighty.
So, when the big one name?
Determined, you know.
Okay, and that one?
And this one is Layla.
Oh, Layla and Determined?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let
Alright.
me say no.
So you close them, a phone
I
close
the
them?
2 pieces of clothes me manage to escape with. Me say,
Okay.
I never know say I saw the man do that turn out.
Okay.
But why? Me never know say life would have so hard. Me I get engaged, you know. And me say from me have the last little one yeah. The man just turn out to be such a I don't even want this grace him.
Oh God.
Then you know say me I'll catch the man carrying woman pan with bed.
Mm-hmm.
And them they suck them me I go through.
Eh,
And me say when the picnic them, and she tell me say he see his father pan road, you know. And I never know that, you know. I did not know. I did not even believe the picnic.
So which one of them father you did plan to marry? The last one?
The last one.
Okay, come me think you left that one your father and go there with that one you want come back and marry this one your father cause they hurt. The people them pan hurt confusing and hurt. Anyway, we have this space when we can help you. So don't worry about it. Me we provide food for you until you get a job. Until you can go on your own. Me don't know when that, but feel free. You know me and a friend for a long time. I'm my best friend. Me never know say things did get so bad and
Me a
worse.
tell her, man.
You always they call me and they tell me about your two baby father them. Said none of them now mind them.
None of them.
None of them now mind none of the two people
And
them.
even though I did live with fear father, and he still never did help me.
Oh God.
But me really appreciate the fact that
Wipe off our nose. Wipe. Alright.
yes, so
Yes, alright.
why me say and the picnic them hungry enough from man me a last $100 me use.
Mommy, I'm home.
Me know say you're hungry picking, nobody stress me out.
One bag juice me and my sister get one bulano. Mommy, we hungry. And see
Yeah,
the
me know
little
say you're
sister
hungry, man.
asleep.
Just relax. We'll get something. Yes, Chinedy, me just tired. Me just a suffer. Like, me really need some help. You know, I have nothing can give them for eat. And if me get work, me give back the money.
No, you're not forgiving back, you know. You know what I say? Our kids them and they're hungry. From me have food, then have to give them. I will give them food. And me love children, you know. What you say your name again, little girl?
Determined.
Your name is Determined.
Yes, miss.
I hope you go to school and learn, make your mother
She
proud of
bright,
you.
you know. At first, she come in her class, although she not go so often. She
What?
come. What? She bright.
She's Oma. You know, say, like we can't live here, say, me have to go get her in a once next
Yeah,
school.
but I love that.
So you bring her birth certificate and
Me
everything?
have all of the paper them in the bag, yeah.
Okay, alright,
There.
cool, make it stay. You come over and show me. So me go get her in a one school and maybe take care of you. You understand? Until you get a job. Me go give them something to you.
Alright.
Let me help you.
Boy, thank you. Thank you. Me come in.
But have your dirty clothes in this bag, man. They smell so off. Go inside.
Come. Then she need so it feels nice.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Ah, them nice coach, yeah.
You can sit down over there, son. One over there, so go sit down.
Come determine.
Alright.
Listen, you know why you come here until the lady no bad attitude. You hear me? You left that a yard. Alright, you see how the lady nice doing?
Yes,
Alright. Lady, make sure you say thanks.
Come. What's your name? Determine?
yes.
Come, wake up, wait.
Okay.
We're gonna get something to eat.
Sit down right here, son.
Thank you.
Alright,
You're
get something.
welcome. Come. Sit down beside the sister, baby. Push. Eat a cereal. That's milk. Cereal they eat in here. Okay.
Thank you so
Put your foot
much.
around the table. Sit down properly, right? Okay? Alright. Alright. So,
Thank you enough.
how they come?
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Now we'll be done without this lady here.
Alright. You're able now. You make her not too fun. That's the time kind of cool, you know? And then, if fan too loud and not make noise like I said, we're gonna fall. Hear me now. You don't have nothing to worry about. You don't have to help me pay no bills, nothing at all.
But me not go comfortable with that, you know.
No, you're not working, that's the point.
Make it
So me
work,
can't tell us if you help me pay bills when you're not working. When you're at work now, it's up to you. Me now go. So because me see you get a little job, me they kill you, say, you have to go help me pay for this and pay for that. I am not like that. Me want you go back on your foot, because I know say you're a good girl. We always at work.
All the while me I will.
Even though you go through them struggles there.
Oh boy.
How long now?
Mm-mm.
Anyway, all the time me hear they talk over phone. Me never tell you, but me have one girl here with me.
Then you go have enough space feature away.
Yes, don't worry yourself about it. Fear room there over there, so. So me can make you sleep round there, so.
But it's a big house you have, yeah.
Yes, me can make you sleep in one of the room them round there. So 2 room round the back round there, so.
Oh.
Me will stay in one and you stay in one. So she go there on the front. You understand? In the front room. And she am my friend. But know where yourself. No one the 3 away and the 2 kids live as family. She's my friend and you are my best friend. Because me know you before she. Me not have to tell you the situation how me meet her because I am not like that. But I want the 2 of you live good as sisters.
Yeah, man, me don't feel live with people, you know.
You understand me? Me no want no corruption,
No, sir.
No
Me don't
jealousy.
feel live with people.
no bad mind, no grudge, no
Yeah, man,
envy.
you don't have to tell me that. Me
You
don't feel live
understand
with
me?
people.
Me want when town no cook, everybody just cook and eat as a family. You understand me? Me no want nothing, no bad mind, nothing. Just eat as a family, like we know one another and we are same mother and same father. You understand? That's how me want to look like we are blood. You understand?
Yeah, man, me don't feel
So-
live with people.
You can walk around the bathroom, the round this up. You go through my room and then you see the bathroom.
Oh.
And you right then you go in a fair room. You understand? So
Yeah,
you want the 2 kids then can sleep. So you can go fresh up yourself
Yeah, boy.
and when you're done, you find something to eat. Yes, so
Yeah, man. Then you say this clothes them smell.
no man, don't worry yourself, not take them out here so they smell man, then dirty. Me understand so you never have no soap. Just carry them go on in your room and then tomorrow make you some soap, put in a machine, and you get them wash here. So you can go and
Thank you so much
yeah,
again.
yeah, no problem, man.
Thank you. I know.
A long time you know you're not your best friend for a long time. Yes, go on. Yeah, go on.
Let me go be it and come.
Yeah. Alright. Alright. Sit up, baby. You not hungry?
Yes.
Here, give your sister some. Here? Alright, now go on the road there.
Yeah.
Soon come back. Not give her so much. Don't give her so much one time. Take time and feed your sister. You hear me? Hold it in your hand. Don't put it in the couch. Hold it in your hand. Sit down properly, baby. Your name is Layla, right? And determined. Feed your sister and take care of your sister. You hear me? I know your mother gone and look for her. Here?
Yeah.
We soon come. I go check somebody right down the road. So.
Stop it!
Stop it, Alice.
You
have to stop it, Alice.
Tell my
I think
mother.
we do the ayama. Kaya nasty ma fa one no come na ya me friend that wash look bit that clothes around good. Fa well na piece of dirty clothes every day wash them and put them on the line.
You about what biscuit?
You know what? You bright now all time boy ya. Want it you put foot palm. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Mrs.
Don't do that. You bright boy ya put your foot palm. Yeah pa. Yeah pa. You sit down for you. Sit down. Miss me sit down. Bright now all time. Go ya put your foot palm. Go and back where you come from. You're bright and out and I'm like your power in me. Bright.
We know our father.
So run one up your pa. Hey. Here. Wow.
Where can I?
You want to talk to your friend when you feel so busy. The lady we have there still there. You know, say you probably know her feel good time, but you don't be longer, no? I mean, no say help me. I mean, I want sound problematic. I mean, I want sound like I'm near the problem. You understand? But why is it that she treat me picking them so?
What do you mean? What happened to them?
Last night, me get up and me make some tea for Layla. And she come out and tell me, say, me I done the last call, me can left some fear until in the morning. And it's one little ounce of tea me I make for the baby. And she come out and I go on like I say, me I use everything.
Really?
And not even just that alone. The other night, they pick me them up and do their homework. And she come out and turn off the light and then,
Really?
and not that alone.
Oh God.
The other time she cook some food. Me never cook it. And before she give it them the food, you don't know, say the leftover. She turn it out in the garbage bin and give it them none for it.
Jesus have mercy. And how long this a go on in a so I don't know about it? Why you
That's
never
3 months me there now with you.
Mm-hmm.
See them, 3 months me there with you. And your friend, Eddie Cup, has such that behavior. And I say, alright then, me hold me own and not say nothing. Because of your friend and me, your friend to me now and stir up no problem.
Yeah.
But this, me cup just run over. And me can't take it no longer. Listen, me tell myself, me go try and get one work and leave, you know. But me send in the application and all, me can't get through it. That's why I still tired. So I don't know what to do now. What me I go do? And your friend, you know. But she a going too much, man.
I know me not understand. So this a have a long time and you just a say to me?
At 3 months now, me there na Chinelli. And your friend where you have here been a treat me so for 2 months now. So in the first part, for the first 1 month, she show her good face and she been a treat me and my kids right. After the 1 month, she just turn a devil. And I keep up all of them and slap this upon me and me two fit them. You have to go talk to her now because I don't want to come here and start no conflict.
Me go talk to her. Because me never know say something like this has gone underneath me roof.
Me just never want start no problem. Honestly. Cause me tell myself so me never da go say it to you, you know. But based on the fact that me pick me and do her homework and she just turn off feel like this me pick them have to get a good education because me never get it. So me have to make sure they do them homework.
As I said, never talk to her because me not know her like that.
And me realize that she don't stop watch me. Everything me do, she do. If me cook fish, she cook fish.
Eh,
Me know say yeah provide, you know, Chinedy. But at the same time, like me don't feel free. Me feel like a 24-hour
So
hog
Yolanda,
eye.
how much pot they cook in here? So no wonder why this stuff them are done so fast. So why everybody not just say make me cook today, tomorrow you cook, and the whole of we just eat out of the one pot. So it's something them serve longer. A waste of food them and a
Sometimes,
waste of
you know,
money.
Chinedy, me pity them allergic to certain things, and this one having diabetes, so me can't really give her anything to eat. You understand? So me have to cook their meal. You understand?
Okay. Alright, me sorry about everything where you say happen, which me never aware of whatever they go on in that place there. So me go call her one side and talk to her. Me and go hope and pray this thing stop because all of we in here so and we need to live as one. One big family.
We have to do that, yes.
And me can't go put her out and
You
me
can't
can't put out you nor the kids then.
But me go try and get one work, man. Me send off application, you know, to volunteer out of one school as a janitor, but me not hear nothing from them. But me go keep try to get one work.
Alright. Me go try and sort out this.
Yeah, right, baby. You want anything? Yeah, want.
Mommy, can you get some juice, please?
Huh?
But me not hear you.
Mommy, can I get some juice,
Oh,
please?
Jesus.
Oh, she want juice?
You don't want water? Me not have no juice, you know.
No, me can't give her some juice. Not,
Yeah,
that.
juice.
Not say that. Because you know say stuff in there where you can give her
Me
liquor.
not want done what your
Mommy,
juice to them,
Can I
man.
have some juice,
That
please?
you too. Everything you see, your sister, you want your man.
Let me give them some juice. That's good, man.
Yeah, you need to get one work. You can continue so I don't take pooper. You see where make we left on there so?
Here you go.
Thank you.
I'm not drink too much, you know. Too much juice not good.
You're welcome.
Why me can't thank you?
Our kids them.
Our kids them man, but then feel learn to be contented.
They're so alright, man. Don't worry yourself. I know that thing about way on her. I've never talked to her. Because me no need no war in this place. I don't need no contention in here with none of we. We need to live good. Live as one. Be as one.
Me try.
Like we are one big happy
Me
family.
try, you know, cause when we come here, until you invite me, when me come here, me try, cause you did not explain all of this to me. And me just to see where it a work. Like, if me find one place a morning to rent, me feel like me go take you know. Me just want one
No,
source
you
of
not,
income.
you not have to leave. You not have to leave before the time. Never kill yourself. Just wait until God provides some job and somewhere where you think you would stay and feel comfortable with your kids. But for now, you can stay here. I don't have a problem with that.
Me know, me
I
know
devil like the devil.
Are you your friend, man? She
But
nah.
you are my friend to the two know I'm your friend. The point is, she don't know that you are my best friend. But me not really act no kind of
Yeah,
way.
go tell her.
Me not really act no kind of way around her. If she, feel no
And
jealousy.
then she
and
just not like
envy.
pitney. She not have no pitney.
No, she not have any kids in her.
That's why she don't like for me then.
She not have no kids.
That's why she don't like me pitney them. But me listen, me know this is how you want to treat me, you know, but me not go sit down and make nobody treat me pitney them like them are the worst. Not because we die, like me want people treat me pitney them good.
Alright. How about it? I'll cook some food and make a bit. Here? You finish with the cup, baby? Oh no, they're not finished. Alright, I'm going to drink no juice. I'll cook some food, alright. Eriko! Eriko!
Yeah.
Come here. Why you take that chair here? Take the chair, I'll cover it. Sorry, make the door stay up. Sit down right here. I don't really want to. Buddy. No, buddy, you would get sick here.
No.
Let it come. Yeah, try if you make this thing be one easy way home to start it. I don't want to start it the wrong way because I don't want to cause no problem, no vexation or problem or nothing. But let me do it like this. All are we in our house, right? And make sure you're aware when the two kids and their mother come here, right? Because me don't talk to you, me don't introduce them to you already. Then they are all long now. They know you live here with me more than a year. Them only there for some months. And me never know say problem they go on in our house. And I don't like it.
When I say problem, what do you mean?
Me get to understand so you're not taking good care of the kids. Like, me no mean say if you take care of them, me mean a kids them and you not treat them good. You not show them no love. Nothing at all. Me not understand that because of children. And people supposed to love kids. Why one woman would have really not love children? Whether you can have kids or you cannot have kids, you're supposed to love kids. They are the future. The children is the future. I mean, I understand me. I get complain about you over and over and over and over.
So I don't know about that. How you get complain about
Because me no want the contention. This thing they go on for a long time. Wish me hear say a long time they go on. Me never hear the exact time, but me hear good while. And me hear good while. And then today again, me go hear from the kids, their mother. It's like she did tell somebody already. Out the road when she go there and the person pinch me and tell me. So when she they tell me act like me not even know somebody's story because me never want the problem between you and she.
It's a fair business. Things are going on here and you have your own to tell people.
No, listen, she feel you see what they tell me I know nothing bad. And what they say you they do to she and her kids.
How
You understand? So? And you make she uncomfortable. Like you know, want her to stay here. And anything you see she use, you dey watch her like she can't use nothing. And even when she call me and they talk to me about it, she'll make me know say, you see her get up one night and they make tea for her baby with Lasco when me buy for the baby. You're a big woman. Me never know see her drink Lasco.
I mean, she use the things them like I say she want there in the yard. Take time with the things them. When she eat, she and her picking them this whole food. Take time with the things. Then me have to watch me make sure say, come in over here, say me and you my favorite thing. And she me no watch me more than when she there.
Oh Jesus. Me never see this coming, but listen.
And when she come at me, you're gonna talk about best friend. And how this a best friend that just appear out of nowhere, so.
Oh Jesus.
When she come here, used to give me a little money. Nothing me not get again. Not a thing. God bless me, you give me. We all sit down and chat again and play a lolly pan she there. I just share her putting them in the other. My best friend.
So it's like some jealousy thing and
We are talk about jealousy. Me are talk about you come to me and you mention a problem. So that me I talk about. I mean, I she a girl and call up my name like that.
Oh, Erika, listen. I don't want this problem in here, please. I ask you. If you can try to live more better with the kids them and their mother, it would have better for me, you and them. Remember where you're coming from. Else you will not know where you're going. Me no want no contention between you and her. Especially the kids. All the kids involved in a feel like jealousy and like bad mind ways.
They're rude, they don't listen, they're rude. And I pay a mess them when the money I'm looking for.
Listen to me. The bigger one when I'm determined tell me say the other day. As me give them the little breakfast so I'm gone out the road because their mother did gone look one job. I me tell her if you give her hype on them, me give them the food to eat. You take it from them and eat it.
And them waste the food. So me eat it because I don't want the food for waste.
But me they give you something to eat too. And you even get enough of that them. The kids then can't eat no food. Even the littler one, the bigger one tell me say, you take away the juice from the littler one and make sure they don't and they make pure nice in that
I
area.
rude, you know what? This something just bad and rude.
And you can lick. Oh, Jesus Christ, you're going to walk the bigger one. Now remember, say, you're going to slap the smaller one.
You rude.
Why you slap the little
You
girl?
rude, man. You rude.
It is not your child and you have no right to hit her. You not no right to lick Layla. Why you then lick up Layla? Suppose her mother here. Suppose the bigger one tell her mother. You know, say Layla mother and you are going in things. You cannot do that.
Poor rude, man.
I mean, never know say big people take a little picnic something and eat it. Before you feed them with you, make sure so they eat and comfortable and act like you're their auntie. Because the whole of we there, so we feel live as one like a family. Why this animosity? Jesus Christ. Me not expect this from you. I swear to God, I do not expect all of these. I did not expect it. But me I beg you do. Me don't act like I said nothing never happened. Just figure about where you feel set and where the things say. Anything will come in your thoughts, where bad way and negative thoughts, please me I beg you run it out of your head. Drive it out. Because no one will live as one. Me not even want the neighbor them in the area and say we not related. Me want we live as family. Me show your love. You can't say me not show your love. Me treat you right. Me not treat them no different from you. Actually, our kids them, you know. Our kids, that's why me go out the road and buy any little thing me see fit for them and give them. You're a big woman. When already me give you money for you go buy what you want. Me know say sometimes you used to carry juice and then something for you, but you know what you pick me them. At least me give you money, go buy what you want. Me not fit bother carry Burger King and KFC come here again. You can buy it when me give you the money. Anyway, me see it on your face. Let me tell you something. Don't follow the devil, because the devil love when people bad mind they one another. Just when you bad mind people will not do nothing, it is not nice. Don't worry about when they give you kids them. They go give you one little money. Take it and buy some clothes. Buy some food. What you want. You understand? Here. Oh Jesus. Me always give you same what me share with them and so me share with you. You know, make no sense to the bad mind kids. For what? And especially the mother where you know her from, you don't know her from nowhere. Me no want thing in here, man. Me no want thing in here. So me never used to have no war in here, so when me there. I watch you off in the place, me can in a war with me. So you see stranger for me tell you already say I know her before you. Me already know her a long time. I knew her years ago before you, but we did split up, live at separate places. That no mean say we did never friend again. We are always friend. We just did last contact. The only difference is you come live with me before she. But listen, if you look into it, even though me not tell you our situation, if me tell you, you wouldn't even believe that she got through why me have to take her years out. So don't get jealous. You almost go through the same situation where she go through, only difference is because you don't have any kids. And me I try to help the two and the two in a known peace. Me not understand that. I don't. Listen to me, not take her simply now. A girl with travel when they are foreign, you know. She drop back a good on back on her face, make nothing and go and fear, you know. Then she go see this boy, two man, and breed for you two idiot, them and none of them now mind her picnic. Since as you want to know part of her story, I will give it to you. But don't treat her so because people can get up and brush off themselves and rise again. You wouldn't want she to treat you so, not because I do first the year before she. Don't do that. I don't like it. Me not like it.
Alright, we hear what you say.
Toxic. I live like a puss and dog when me not there. And you know what? Una not do it in front of me. Me not say she not do nothing to you. Me not know if she do nothing to you. Me not say she not do nothing to you. Me not know. But as far as me concerned, when me listen to her, she not doing you anything. And you are the one that jealous and the bad mind over me not know what. So she take this and she use this. No man. Stop it. Stop it. Everything in there for the whole away. And me a working money and a carry in there. Me no want no jealousy in there, no bad mind or no grudge. Just live as one, please, me dey beg you. And no bother you because me say to you, you will see her in an argument with her. Please, me dey beg you. No bother mash up your phone.
You okay?
You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Me know you know. Eriko, me know you know.
Me no say no.
Me know you know. Say we say, oh, everything alright, and then everything not alright, you know. Because you want me to feel say everything alright when it's not okay. It is not nice to treat people bad, whether you know them or you may know them. Try if you have love for people. Because you couldn't want people to treat us like a foot clot. No. Stop, man. This is not nice. You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you can go back inside. I just got my want to talk to you about. Drink running. Yeah, no more running.
Use the bathroom. Show you something you see. Show you something because you know I want the big one. See there? Me and you come go on like I say. You want to take over my friend. Me and your back side. Me and you. Oh yeah. Can you want to come here and put one of the food? Me? One of the food you want to come here and one of the food. One of the food you want to come here and me don't want the people there showing. Boy! Why? Jesus, me don't want they showing. Me don't want the people there show. Lord God. Alright, this doesn't look like it a go do at all. This doesn't look like it a go do. tired and bright. See where you are now. You see where you are now. All tired and bright. You want me to show you too much evidence. Hey, why? You know what I'm doing? You know I'm not overburdened. You know I'm looking back fire fine. So you left all the pot. You're not even wash out the pot. Eh? You're not even wash out the pot. I must say me, I want to wash out tea like a sudden state. Bright.
Now where is the diarrhea come from? I drink the hot center. You know where you text me for now? You text me for. Boy, my belly just a hot me so. Oh wait, I'm gonna put up a pan that is a. I'm gonna pepper this man taste. Put on the black pepper. Hey! I must the black girl put pepper on my food. What? Jeez, hey! Last time I got.
Yeah, that's the black.
I must the ugly girl put pepper on my. Watch out! After me never put no pepper on my. Hey! And the last time I got talk to Shinedy about this in it. About this woman, you know. Watch out! Like a 6 pepper she cut up in the food. Listen. I don't want me to be deserve all of this. Imagine me come and say me stupid with them. Come on, my friend. And I diss me and I go through. All because the man left me. God, me I beg you to help me. See me there I look all in over just to get something to eat. And this woman you see Jesus. Just come and do and pepper my food. God, me I beg you take me out of the situation. Yeah. God, me don't know what me I go do. Me I beg you to make one way. Help me and me pick me them Jesus. We just come out of the situation, yeah. God, me can't do this anymore. Me just feel like we just analyze myself and me pick me them. I don't know what to do.
Come here. Come here. I'm sorry, Fig. I'm so sorry, Fig. No, it's all this I got you. Sorry about everything. Yeah? Come here, little girl. Oh, God. I'm sorry about everything I got through here. Your father come look here? I know your father not come look here.
We don't know which part of the world in there, no, Chinedi. We don't know.
Sit down.
Life just a treat me so bad.
What kind of noodle argument me you to pray on it about? What is wrong? What happened here?
Me get up and my belly did hurt me, you know. Chinedi. Me decide to make one of the pot noodle when me see her. And by the time I look about it and I put it on the table, me come back. The food pepper, me couldn't eat it none at all. And me know say me not put no pepper in there. And the lady where you have here. Okay. And she put the pepper in there, me have to throw it with me, have to waste the food.
You sure you never put no pepper in there when you look
Me never put no, me not even, me not like pepper, none at all. Me not put no pepper in there.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. You know me, a best friend from a long time. I miss where the jealousy and the envy they come from. Me can't take this no more. But me will talk to her. Me go talk to her for the last time. Because this thing I get too bad now. It I get from bad to worse.
Me go leave. If you like me, go
No,
leave.
no, no, no.
We can't- we
No.
can't.
But where you gonna go? Your baby father not put you nowhere.
Me forget.
And he have that the big old house there, a Mandeville. And he not even dead if he put you in a one part of it. With a little girl, have this a nice little girl there. And such a nice, beautiful woman like you, your baby father really no know good woman.
Me no want me pitney them see me go through them something here, you know, but me no have a choice.
No, me
just
sorry
can't
to hear
bother.
about it, but me I go talk to. Oh God.
Excuse
God.
me, Auntie Trinity. Remember I time when they left me and Layla sit on your salty biscuit?
Mm-hmm.
The girl come and jog with biscuit from where and they
Me
want
do what?
give none.
Eh?
He never want give none of biscuit. When I come out, he jog with biscuit from we.
Oh God.
Me pitney not even tell me never something here, you know.
And this is not what you want me to know, so I want to keep them here a secret.
Me
Me
a
take
forget.
in one
Me a
in the
forget.
house so we live as family and live as one and none of we not show one of them no love. Me not understand.
Today, me no know what to do. Me just feel like this is not the place that me want to
No,
be right now.
Chizoma, listen. Chizoma, listen. Me is your friend from long time. I am not going to throw you out on the street, no matter where you go to. Everything soon be alright. You know, some day I feel. Alright, guess what? Just go on in your room. And me did get some clothes and me did buy for your two daughter then. So just see which one can fit more and what that you can start out. You understand? Yeah.
Just need one word.
Me I go talk to her. Me I go talk to her about this. Jesus Christ. No, sir.
Why? Me say me tired of this girl here. Me tired of this girl. Me can't believe say two sardine and the girl look about the two sardine fishy and her picnic them. And yeah, me everything. Me I watch her with the food in national TV. I take time or nothing. Well, every day she get up, but she gonna look out and I know she can't get no work. Me need to do something to get rid of this girl here, man. Me tired for you say me come like you want to come between me and my friend. Me tired to see me come between me and Chinedy, man. You look how long me and my friend there. And if I should come and my friend does some move different, so me have to get rid of this girl here. What me can do? What me can do? If I come like now, care what me tell Chinedy, she nah believe. So me have to do something. You know, so me have an idea. Yes, when me do this, he have to left this a time, yeah. He have to left this a time, yeah.
Boy, I tell you that. Jesus Christ. Oh God. I'll lift this one as around. Sure.
Can't believe this. Me say me can't believe this. Me can't find me panty them. No, sir. Me can't find me panty them. New brand panty, me can't find them. Me new brand panty, me can't find them. No, sir. Where me panty them there? Eh? Me new brand panty, me can't find. That's why me not like this. You know, me not like thieving people because where me panty them for them. I mean, no one I told look up at them. I must the girl thief me panty them. Me can't find me panty them. I mean, no, me not idiot. Me can't find me panty them. Can't find me panty them. You know, so me have so
You hear one nice video running in the room and hear it. So I want you to talk.
no cut me panty them. Me can't find me panty them.
What do you mean you can't find your panty then?
You remember the pink panty them when they buy give me the two panty them will match the black one and the pink one. Me can't find the two of them.
You sure say no wear them and wash them and leave them
No,
outside
no,
panel
wear them all no.
For so long me buy them
I
here.
tell you.
Over
Because
1
I
year.
want left them for wear under some specific clothes.
Oh,
So me no wear them. Me can't find the panty them.
I understand. You mean I can't find them. No, nobody not there, so a jazz thief. What thief
You don't
panty?
know that.
So who are wear people panty? Come on, man.
I know say I know the two look up it in them. Me know say I know you because that's enough for your size panty. Right? I must the girl thief me panty them. Who else will come in a con thief panty? Me not like thieving people, you know. What she did, man? Call her, make she come, man. Call her, make she come.
But me not fancy her. Where she there? In
I
my
don't know
bathroom?
what she there, no. She must in there.
Lord
She
Jesus.
must in
You
there.
sure say you're not judge her wrongfully?
Nah, judge her wrongfully. I must she thief your
But me
panty
know her
them.
a long time and she's my best friend. Me and her a friend a long time before me meet you up on the beach and she never thief from me know her.
See me and live with me at two different something.
Me no know her as no thief. Me no believe say she have it
Can't
nowhere
wait
in
so
my
me
place.
can't
Yeah.
find me panty
So
them.
why you don't really think say she thief your panty now? Me not understand. I joke with them, Car. You
No,
problem?
me nah run no
Me just
joke.
come in sweat up and me tired now. I want problem me come in.
Call her, make she come find me panty them.
Pause it.
Billy say, me can't find me panty them.
Ediko, you swear say you miss panty.
Yes,
2 panty you say.
two panty.
The
me
2
can't
panty them
find
when
them.
me buy give you how long now I know me can't believe say you still have them the panty there. So what make you never wear them?
Time me love me not like wear things same time. Me love put them down for you with some specific clothes.
Ediko, me no want the problem in the house. Make sure say I chew you the top because
Why me
me
they tell
was a
lie?
chill. Ah, Jesus. Uy, she not thief. Me no know her as no thief.
See me and live with me at two different something.
She's home. How is she there?
He must in there.
She's home. She's
No,
home.
you know what answer can I know what you do.
Yes, come here.
At the bathroom, in there clean, you know.
Oh, me have something to say to you, and me no want you get me wrong, please. Don't.
Me no want a problem with this lady right now, you know.
No, just listen. Me just have to ask you one simple question. You know, accidentally seen on panty in your room, one of yours?
What you mean? What you mean by
Alright, hold on. Ediko say she missed 2 panty when me did buy give her from long time when. Me no know when. I supposed to hear and had now me buy that. And she said she no wear them. And she go in her bag and look for the 2 panty and it missing and I must you.
Me?
No, I am not telling you that it is you, you know.
No, Chinedi, no.
Come in and
Me
know your son thief.
not even gonna listen to this, you know. So you say me thief, panty.
Listen, I three are with there as adult. And you two pitney them. That the panty they can't fit Chinedi. And you have to thief a panty because nobody can walk come in and call thief a panty. And no rat now go with the panty. So if I know you thief it, go for your bag them. Because I in the panty they in there.
Why me should I really go for my bag?
So when
You call me thief? Listen, although me a suffer, you know, me never da go thief panty. As a matter of fact, I don't think we're supposed to go for my bag. That's a disrespect.
Alright, me understand, but
Chinedi, me no want no talking.
just listen to the problem. Just one for your bag and prove it to her. Say, let me just search it and maybe look in there. You're not even feel look in there. Come see you upset. Me know I know you. Me know it's not you.
what you mean by your no say it's not
Shut
her?
up.
Girl. What you mean by your no say it's
Alright.
not her?
Chinedi, you make me a go for it.
What you mean by your no is
How
not?
she
So
want?
you pick up fear
No,
then.
no, it
So
won't.
me a talk about your no say no fear. I know you, I know
Alright,
her.
hold on, Ediko.
Go for your bag.
Listen.
Don't show it for me.
Yeah, get this thing out of control now, you know. Listen, remember it's my place. They turn on me a friend.
So you tell her about your
And
no
me
say no.
not
Your no
prefer
say it's
none
not her.
and they say, but me no know her as no thief. A long time me know her even before you.
See me and live with me at two different something.
And me
I
never
worry
see.
they a drop for me, lady.
Alright, guess what? Go and feedback and come back.
And you make me a go for the bag, you
Yeah,
know.
me
Because
understand.
me know say nothing in my bag, you know.
Yeah, me
And my clothes and me picking them clothes alone in my bag.
me know, just go feed
Look
and
how me go
be
put
sure.
you to shame.
Yes.
Let's see.
Oh, Tada.
Let's see.
Oh, Jesus.
What? Chinedi, what you mean by your no say it's not her?
Because a long time me know her
See
before
them?
you and she never
See them?
thief yet.
Trinity, see that? Me no have nothing. Nothing me no have.
Let me search it. Sorry. Wait. Hold on.
Don't come in on me bag.
What is wrong?
Fine.
Hey, we don't know bother with it. Don't bother. Wait, make it stay. Make it stay. Maybe.
Tap touch me clothes then.
No,
Tap
I.
touch me clothes
Get up,
then.
man. Get up. Just let me look in at it. Me not see nothing, so no be able to say.
Look how upon my embarrassment here.
Put them
And me and the
the
pitney them. Listen, you see me never come at people place them and
Right.
pitney would have happened to me.
Me can't even. Me buy back this gear.
Buy back Lana bag when you come and pick
You
it up.
chat too
Lana
much.
bag. Where you go to your baby father, find your baby father.
You had pitney? You lucky me have baby father. You have pitney?
Hey! See that?
I hope.
See that? See that?
Wait.
See
Who
that?
put them in my bag?
See that?
How the- Me don't know about this. Chinedy.
Wicked.
Chinedy, me don't know about this.
Hold on.
Wicked.
Hold on.
Me don't know about this, Chinedy.
Wait.
How you put that sit
Wait,
in my
hey,
bag?
come on. Jesus Christ. Wait, hold on there, man.
Come on.
Wait,
Come on.
look where your cast now.
Wicked, that's how wicked people
Look
bad.
where your cast. Look how long me buy this gear. You tell me say you never wear
Me
this
never
gear.
wear it. See
And
that?
all this.
Let
Yes,
me
let's
wear
go
them
lift
back.
the plate.
Ediko.
Chinedy, you believe her over?
That's how wicked people bad.
No, me not believe.
That's how wicked people bad.
I don't believe her. Listen. Me not believe her.
Teddy up.
Me picking them and come on, so that plate.
No, alright, wait.
See, you see, I took up back
We
all the
can-
panty put in
I know me
there.
put in there.
Alright, see your country here.
No.
Just done the argument right here, so.
Chinedy,
This-
and
me
you
and
only
the-
believe her.
No, me not believe her. Maybe she make mistake, take up the clothes them off her line, and then they accidentally going. Alright, one back on your room.
Now
Me
me
talk to
talk.
you. Don't listen. Me don't believe her. Maybe you just mistakenly take it up off her line, or she take up fear clothes and put fear things in her fear clothes. Cause something wait, me not understand. Wait, one back on your room. Let me talk to Ediko. Alright, you go. Let's go talk to you here.
The wicked girl.
Boy, teeth, boy, you jazz teeth, yo. You see me tell you, how me know see ya in the jazz them deck. Me know see ya in the put the jazz them.
Jesus Christ, me tired. Ediko. Maybe a mistake she
Mistake, look on them a nice panty. Them a panty a girl want teeth. Eh?
Hold on. No.
Look
hold
on them
on.
a nice drawers, yeah. Remember see how you buy them, give me, you know?
The plastic, the panel fit through the plastic.
Okay.
See plastic there, but you know where, but guess what?
Right.
I must mistake. Me
No,
think- me
mistake, a jazz thief.
Stop trying to say that now.
Jazz thief. Come out of here.
Why you behave so? Me not like him, man. You know, if you learn to live good, you know. The three of we in the house with the two kids them. And can you imagine? People stay over them place and I hear you over here they behave like a hooligan. Like you no come from nowhere.
Now she no come from what she come up people yard with ladder bag. I cannot come with ladder bag of people yard.
Don't do that. And not throw a stone behind you. That is the first thing you do when you meet up on the beach. You have to stop it. Remember, you know, only because me not explain and tell her all that about you, you know. Same how me take you in for help you, so me take her in. The only difference, as me tell you before, she only have 2 kids. And a girl, me tell you a long time,
Me
say a
never
girl.
come out with no ladder bag.
Listen.
Me come out with the lobster.
Yes, but a girl who used to be a foreigner in her big work, as somebody do her something and she end up back at Jamaica and they suffer. And I'm a friend from long. No,
Then they send me.
alright. No say so, man. No say so. Listen, take back your panty then. I'm gonna go buy 2 more give you, right?
To
Okay,
make
so-
up feel that the stress there when me go through.
Oh God, I can't take this now.
Me
no.
come go back in my room.
One. You can't take this and me all a sweat. This a serious. So now get out of hand now, man. You can't deal with you now. Jesus Christ.
Determined.
Yes, mommy.
Me get one word going on the train down the road down there, so
Okay.
I go leave you for a little minute. Alright, so me I want you give an eye for your sister.
Yes, mom.
Because she asleep, but me know say she need to soon come back. And me go watch some clothes down the too. Cause me no want run up to the bill. Me know say she understanding, but me no want run up for her bill. Alright, so just remember to give eye for your sister. As soon as we don't come here, me I go try and do the work there and wash the clothes then. Yeah, your head bad though.
Alright? Eliko, you alright? Eliko? Lord have mercy.
Yeah, no, for our mouth.
Well, Ella.
I'm saying I room, I saw you.
Okay. I'm gonna cook some food, but guess what? The chicken, too much ice they night. I did take out it for a long time from what I freeze. And I take out it too late and put it up at time. So, see here. I'm gonna thaw out this.
Yeah.
So everybody can get one fair share. Now put in a sink and then give ice, and if you know, you can change the water now and again. You understand? Yeah. Alright.
We don't want to do curry.
I don't know what one of feel like.
Fry and cook down today on a Sunday.
My baby can't eat that nothing already.
Yeah, what you mean by baby can't? What kind of baby that they can't eat? Go back your pick the name somewhere else. Make your father give stuff in name. You have choice here.
Was I
What
speaking
is-
to you?
You have choice.
Was I speaking to you?
Hey, no upset me that Sunday, yeah, man.
Alright, get what the baby can eat. Cause you have to Eddie come remember say a baby. A
Jenny,
baby.
which baby can them fry and cook down chicken?
Maybe they too much grease and she don't give her baby them something there. And I don't know. Alright.
So,
Where say the
show
baby?
this up.
Alright, guess what? Me go cook 2 different pots with me. You want fry and cook them. What you want?
Normally, now what me do fear because she have the diabetes, me just cut the chicken thin and kind of steam it.
I must say Vitishan. Where me what the name? Give him some bush.
That really is so done.
Alright, listen. A vegetarian you want to say anyway.
Vegetarian.
Alright, listen. Peace reign in a this house between the two of you. Come on, one like a hug in a pen. Listen.
Big Sunday, you
Please,
it's fine.
Auntie, me no like see mommy and a girl a
Stop it, guys. You saw that big people
Yes, sir.
talk. Don't talk.
Stop shouting at my child.
Alright.
Stop it.
Determine what you just said.
Me say me no like my mother and a lady a cuss in front of me.
Oh God.
Go lock up in a wardrobe.
Stop shouting at me, Pitney.
Anyway, to make peace reign in this house, as I was saying before, never cook 2 different pot of meat
Like they have
and 1
choice.
pot rice and peas. You understand? So you get what you want and she get what she want to give her baby. Me go round in her room, go finish tidy up out here.
So, around the hour time, like it 2:40 now, 3:00, me to reach down this. But hold on. Me go down there here.
Good mommy.
Remember figure I on the video. You know say Chinelli will look for her for me here.
Mm.
Remember I have to look for your sister.
Yes, mommy.
Me just forget to me I left the charger. Me do the whole place. So tired. Me have work and can't get work. Determine. Why you out here so asleep?
But somebody are wait for you to come back.
Why? Why you are waiting? Normally inside I watch movie. Come.
Mommy,
You eat?
yeah.
Where you eat?
A girl they make pot soup for me.
Come.
Yeah.
Sit down. She make pot soup for you?
Mm-hmm.
You don't normally help on eat, so I don't understand. So, how was your day?
Alright, but mommy, you see one day no, Layla father come over
What?
here. Layla father
Layla father? Come where?
over here and I ask you.
You know, you remember Layla father come where you did small, you know. You remember him good? You sure he needs to come here?
Mm.
And what happened?
And You gonna stay with your friend? She come now and I say hi or something. So she come and I hug up him or something.
Hug up who?
Layla father.
Layla father hug up Indico.
Mm-hmm.
You sure you see that?
Yeah, Indico hug up Layla father. And Layla father, they act very strange. And Layla father come inside, cause a girl come and ask if he can come inside. And then the girl go in a lady fridge and take out juice and give him. And then in my room, rubbed on Layla father.
Stand up, you hear me? You sure all of that you see?
Yes, mommy.
Listen, me know why you tell lie for anybody, you know. I don't want it to be lying. So don't lie. You sure that you see?
Yes, mommy.
You know, so me not gonna have certain conversation with you as my daughter. But I know exactly what to do. Anyways, let's go inside.
Oh, excuse me, mommy.
What is it again?
Me have something to tell her because it did when Layla father come over there, the girl and him go in a room.
What you say? What you really say to me?
Then go in a room and then tell me to go sleep. And I tell the girl, so wait till my mother come and go tell her. And she said me chat too much.
Sorry, me just sorry say you have to see all of that. But I know exactly what to do. You hear?
Yes, mom.
And you can sit over this. I know what to do.
Hello,
Hello?
Chizuma.
Who is it?
What do you mean by who this? You don't know my voice. You might not know your number, but you know my voice.
Oh, listen, like, where you get my number from?
Alright, you listen to me. The day back of your yard, you know. And every time you come, listen to me. Listen to me. Every time he come here, so you know there, I make you get to me pick. I'm want to know what one. Me I carry a coat, you know. What you mean? Listen to me, man. Me can't afford every time you come yourself to see me pick, and I know you can't afford to see me pick. What happen?
Listen, man, you're not a father. All you is just a big, dirty sperm donor. Don't come back to me, yard. You know, there's nothing for you pick me. You don't know how you pick me eat. You don't know how you pick me sleep. You don't know how you pick me go to school. So what kind of pick you come and own up right now?
Oh, you mean say me no? Look here. What you mean by say me no know how all them sit there go? You go like say me never give money.
Wait, now, when you give me money, you want to go $1,500 done long time. 2 years ago, you give me $1,500 done.
That's how man like man. Look here, man. Anyway, so we can't see me pick me.
I think that answer is already clear. The answer is no. Since you want me to tell you again, the answer is no. You're not a father. You're a workless papa, and you don't deserve this. You don't pick me. And listen, me stay at the lady yard. Do not come back at the lady yard. And me hear about you, you know. You think me not hear say you come at the lady yard and come and look the girl?
Me?
You think me not hear about you? Look at dirty man.
Me? Who tell you that?
Don't worry about me, you know that.
Some.
You know, say me know that and me have proof and me have evidence. You know what this good stuff, man.
Sure, forget about that, man. You know me stay already, man. Sure.
Oh, you stay. Do you have listen here? I just stay.
No, you talk about a woman, but me I say you don't know. She push up herself for me. If something free, me take it. You don't know, say so me stay already. Sure.
And you couldn't say no. You couldn't say no.
It's free. You always taste better when it's free. Anyway, just more see me you. Just let me see me you. Please, me I beg you. Please, just let me see me you.
Remember say Westmoreland in the news, you know. Remember say Westmoreland is one of those parishes with the leading number of HIV cases. So if that year around you will get it. You know, nothing else to say. This man come up on the phone and come out and sit in my yard and don't come back.
We say about Westmoreland, do?
Remember say, Westmoreland have the leading number of HIV cases. You sleep around here, you sleep around there. But no, you can't say no. You can't refuse, girl.
All right. Look, come on, me talk to you. Look, come on. Jesus Christ. Never know less it here. Yo, here you go. Where you there? What you mean the day yard? Me just left from your yard, so how come to the yard and me just left from there and me not see you? Me come there and me call and me can't get you. What happen? Which part of you inside and me come there and knock on your place and me not hear nothing? Hey, no play with me no man. Remember say you push on yourself for me no. Yo, what? Look here man. Yo, I'm here tell you say now, I hope you not do the same thing. Hey, because I hope I'm a man there in there with you know. Zane, and take me for fool, you know. And me here man come there, come knock on my place and you know answer. Make sure you know. You come style man, you know. What do you mean you not do that? Listen man, I played me man. Cause waste my time come there, come show. Anyway, you hear me? Me do up he run me by them and then nearby. I'm not really gone far. You remember something you can ask me for? Yeah. Yeah man, me have a con gear man. I mean I believe in us boy if you get things, get and so me have something for you. Something you ask me for. Yeah, smart, yeah, me know say you're so rich. Just hurry up and come man, me up here wait. It take too long, you know. Yeah man, right, see, yeah, right, same place. Hurry up and come. Man feed them.
What?
So, I like when time through me there and knock down your place and you're in there and me call and can't get you. I like them something man. Anyway, I pertaining to you something when me say boy, you know, you ask for at least.
Mm-hmm.
You know, me have a tough game man, you know.
So where you do?
I have the money man, I have a day man. Hold this. Do that.
What this year?
What?
What kind of little bit of money this year?
Not 3 grand that.
Yeah, so what 3 grand can't even go to supermarket.
So, I don't understand. So that you mean that can't do nothing?
This can't do nothing. What this year? Look for me good. You think 3 grand can do hairstyle?
But you don't know if you spend money and make you up man, so what? I get 3 grand and I
No
should
time I
appreciate.
spin right now.
So, alright, I have 2 grand left. I me there plan say boy, me there give me you. But your mother will take care of that man and so forth.
Thank you. Mm-hmm.
Why you know easy, you know?
So what now?
Nothing, because I tell you something I like one time I come in your yard and knock down this and feel say you have somebody in there and all them shit there.
Remember saying me alone live there. Remember say the idiot girl live there, you know.
So hold
You
on
have
then.
to be careful when you come to the car and you look at them an informer, you know. So you have to be
That me,
careful.
that me that I tell you about because she tell me something you know me come like a little picnic she have I want a real snitch because she come to me with something say boy picnic say this and the picnic say that
So
and all.
what?
I think the little picnic things so they easy when they ready for watch and chat and you think them are big people. So I'm sitting where she tell me say picnic say anyway nothing that still. But hold on then, let me ask you a question. How comes it end up that you and she did it? Me and I not there, you know. You know me and I not there. Me not really care. Me no business with that. But how comes me and you involved at the yard and she did it and she live with them? Me not understand. How that go? Me not
No
understand.
business with her. She a idiot girl like you know if a man that the girl they have.
How
You
you
know
say
if
to
a
me?
man they how they deal with her and talk about her. Every minute she have a new man so she have 2 young baby. A idiot girl that you know. She
Me
don't
never,
want
me
nothing
never
out of
really
life.
see her them way
Idiot
when me and her
thieving
deal.
girl that.
Eh?
Me
How
care
you
about
say?
she, me business with her, she can't come to me about nothing.
Oh, me not really business with her still because me say me and her left. So you understand what I mean?
No thanks to your money same anyways.
No man, I for the little youth, but she always work it out, so not nothing bad. Me just get that to just take that and do it. She alright. She alright. You will live. You understand me? Yeah, no. So what you say?
Yeah, man, just say. Nobody no really did them now, you know.
You say ready for go down?
Mm-hmm.
Come now. You mean?
Ediko, based upon what I want, me get to understand say you was the problem. Everything we go on in our house, your fault, you cause it. So here you know. Me not have much credit in us, so me not go talk to you too long enough cause me tired for warn you over this thing where they do over and over. Me go need you to left my place. You have to go come out. No girl. Don't tell me say me prefer who friend or prefer. Me no prefer none of who no more than the other. The two of my friend, me don't tell you say I'm a friend for a long time. And me always a warn you and tell you say, we no feel live good, but you feel say, are you alone for the year so with me no feel help nobody else and so you go. So you go have to come for your things then. Me left your bag out somewhere. No rain now wet up here. Just take up here. Me now go there here. Me I go somewhere. So you have to go come out of my place and me serious. You can't sleep back in here, not even for 1 more second. You have big problem, girl. You have trouble. Me can't take this no more. Alright, just come for your things then. Me done. Alright. Yeah man, just come for them. No, me no beg me. It's alright. Me no want to hear them the story there. Come when they talk to you a long time and then I listen. Later, just come for your things. You have to come out of my place. You do this thing over and over, man. Me can't take it no more.
Hello?
Yes.
Can you give me a minute, please?
Yeah.
You know, see, somewhere me I look for stay because me just get put out and me not have nowhere for stay. You don't know nobody?
No, me not really know anybody.
Alright, thanks.
All right.
Hello? Good day. You know, see, somewhere me I look for stay.
Yeah, I know it.
You don't know nobody?
Uh-uh.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
I mean, I know where you know.
Yeah, I know it.
So you alone live? So you can't me help take care of you. Alright, take care of yourself and thanks.
How you look so? Ediko,
Yeah.
what am to you?
You know, say, from the time they run me out until now, me not have nowhere to stay. Me not have eat no food, me not stay nowhere out the door, me I sleep from when me know what me did do wrong. And me know me shouldn't do that. Just when try me alone did it, me first did it there. And me see she come, and when she come, she want to take over everything. So me feel jealous because I feel like I say she had take over my friend and that's why I made act out of character. But me apologize for that and I hope you can forgive me. But when no mind you can't take me because I don't have no if you stay.
Ediko, right? This you gone wrong. Me can't take you in back. Me can't take your confusion. Fran, Chizoma come there. Me talk to you and tell you. Me might never tell you everything and how long me know her. But me say, your spirit change when she come. Anyway, you look different. Ediko, you see your cause for yourself? Because of what? Envy, jealousy, bad mind and grudge. Why you stay so? Ediko, me help you. So you feel say, me no fi help nobody else. You can't stay so, girl. Why you stay so? Seem like how me help you. Me must can help somebody else. Eh? Why you stay so? Me no like them the kind of style the way you have. Them the style they no good. You no fi hungry for yourself. You fi think about other people too.
Apologize.
Chizoma no do you nothing. You not even show the girl no love, nothing at all. You just bad mind her and you be like you tell upon her. But guess what? Me wait till it too late. All the girl they tell me this and I tell me that say I do her pitney then this and I do she that me no believe. Cause me never know say I saw you stay. Look there now. Look on you. Look on the life where you live. I walk on road. So you want to tell me say from the day me run out of my place. I walk here, I walk up and down and sleep on roadside and I have nowhere to go and I have nothing to eat. You see what you cause for yourself? Ediko, you want to tell me say you no find no yard, you no go nowhere you can get nothing to eat, you see it and you don't have a job? You cause this for yourself. Know your sister. If bad mind, envy and have jealousy over people, it no make it don't worth it. Better you're glad for people and happy for people. Listen, happy for people. Me I'll help you still enough. Cause if I me or somebody for me or one friend of me or family or whatever, would I want to help. But you can't come back to my place. I'll give you one money. If you find somewhere for rent and you come off of the road kinda look good. Although you keep up your foolishness then, me I go forgive you. But listen, I'll give you one 5-month money. You know, that means 5 months rent. So you see this? In the space of 5 months, you can't tell me, say, you can't find yourself a job. Sit there hungry till you're yarn. You know, I'm fit you from morning. You see this? Take it buy some grocery. To serve you. This can buy some curtain, one bed, and one dresser, and some cleaning, something to clean up the place. Take care of yourself and come off of the road. And you cause this for yourself. Me can't take care in back. You hear me say? Me cannot take your in back. Me can't do that. Because it go cause too much contention. Because you're not changing up. You not change. But me now gonna leave you stranded on the road, although you do your foolishness then. Because you look like you and the devil always at work. Something wrong with you. Anyway, go on off the road and make sure say you find somewhere rent. Take yourself off the road. Go on.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah man, you're welcome. Go on. You cause everything will happen to you and not me cause it. You're bad, not mine. Please tell a friend to tell another friend and a family to tell another family to go over to Candy Progressive TV and subscribe. I don't know say Candy don't love enough for a long time and guess what? We have some other channel where we need enough to go up and go look and see the movie them out there. You understand me? Especially one when drop recently named The Therapist. Part 1 and part 2 from Richard Brown film. Go over there go watch it. Who no watch it yet? Go and go watch it. Who watch it already? Tell somebody else about it. Oh, it's nice. It's shell. It's shell down. You need to go watch it. Go up on Maggie Films. You know, all of the films them. Just go and go watch it. Jamie with everything. Big up on yourself. I'm out.